Hey guys, Chris from Tentworld Brendale. Today I'm going to be showing you the nylon folding bucket from Sea to Summit. This bucket is freestanding on level surfaces, has a carry handle and additional handle for easy pouring. It's made of a welded, watertight non-PVC material that is a food grade coating. So this is a 20 litre bucket. It also comes in a 10 litre version. Both buckets do have measuring lines on the inside to make it easy to know how full it is. And they both also pack down into a nice convenient little package. So here's the bucket filled up, guys. It's got almost 20 litres of it. It does stand by itself only on level surfaces, which this almost is. And it's doing what a bucket should do, holding water, and we'll try the other part of it. Oh, now my shoes are all wet, but it works. So if you just can't wait to get your hands on one of these little bad boys, come in store to Tentworld or jump online at www.tentworld.com.au.